Hi, my name is Diego. I have been with Advanced Hair Studio for almost 8 months now. And the change has been incredible. I have been religious with the treatments, following their directions, and if you see the pictures, it's a whole different ballgame at this point. I'm super happy with the results, and I look forward to keep growing the hair and style it get some different styles and see how it looks. But so far, it has been an incredible transformation. You can see the results. I can almost not believe it, but yeah, it's true. Thank you so much.